5 minutes later.
Wait, I'm sure.
A few moments later.
I think I'm starting to feel like a real Widelian. You know, I guess as a low grade in shop class means something.
Please, guys, congratulate me with my first tent. But here is still really, really cold. Now I need some wood. And now it's time to dinner. Help me out. Please pray about my hair. I'm fine. It was my first lesson of first aid. Bless God, I have this kit. Ow. To be honest, this is the best part of the day. This silent and crackling of wood. So meditative. By the way, do you want some tea? I think water is ready. Oh my god, it's so tasty. Why you don't tell me about your cooking skills before? It's just masterpiece. This day was so hard and I'm really tired. Maybe let's go sleep. Good night. Oh my god, my cameraman texts me. He said that he's been walking around and lost. Please come find me, I'm so cold. It's moose here, really. Oh my god, you're crazy. I think now I must go and find him. Thanks God I have flashlight and compass. But I don't know how to use it. Okay, I'll use GPS on my phone. Oh. Hey! Where are you? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so fucking freaky to walking alone in night forest. Where is this silly guy? Oh my god. In such moments, I just hate my creative ideas for videos. So guys, please support me, text me in DMs. What do you think about it? I hope that you will enjoy it, and I hope that I'll still alive and that you see this video. Remember, I loved you. Oh my god, how are you doing? Why are you wandering for so long? I'm nervous about you so much. Let's go sleep.